5 keto snacks you can make in under a minute. Quick keto snacks, sticking to a keto diet? Here are 5 super quick snacks you can whip up in no time. Avocado and cheese. Slice an avocado and top it with your favorite cheese. Add a sprinkle of sea salt or a dash of lemon juice to enhance the flavor. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, making them perfect for keto. Celery with cream cheese. Spread cream cheese inside celery sticks for a crunchy treat. For an extra kick, sprinkle some paprika or add a few drops of hot sauce. This snack is not only keto-friendly but also refreshing and satisfying. Hard-boiled eggs. Peel a hard-boiled egg and sprinkle with salt and pepper. For more flavor, you can try adding a pinch of paprika or a dollop of mayonnaise on top. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and fit perfectly into a keto lifestyle. Olives. Grab a handful of olives for a savory snack. Olives come in many varieties like Kalamata or green olives filled with garlic. They're packed with healthy fats and are convenient to eat anytime. Handful of nuts. Mix up some almonds, walnuts, and pecans for a protein-packed bite. Consider roasting them lightly to bring out the flavor or adding a sprinkle of Himalayan salt for a touch of zest. Nuts are a great snack option to keep you full and energized. Snacking made easy while staying keto. With these snacks, you can satisfy your cravings without sacrificing your diet goals. Want to learn more? Visit our website